A rival predator prowls the same forests and patrols the same open range. Unlike grizzlies, gray wolves are cooperative predators. They hunt in packs. Teamwork allows them to isolate and take down large prey with ruthless efficiency. The grizzly lightweight is struggling. He wants in on the action. A young lightweight grizzly is trying to bulk up fast. He needs to find meat to feed on, and he plans to take it by force, by stealing it from the mouths of wolves. Working together, gray wolves will sometimes take on a vulnerable mother grizzly to try and make mincemeat of her cub. Adult male grizzlies are practically invincible, but the lightweight 4-year-old has some growing to do. He starts to bury a wolf kill, and the 8-strong pack isn't happy. One-on-one, it's no contest. A fully grown male grizzly can remove a wolf's head with one swipe of his paw and hold off up to 24 hungry wolves. But the pack believes it can take down the lightweight by keeping the muzzle and paws busy and attacking the undefended rear. The youngster strikes out, but his bluff has been called. Backing away is a sign of weakness and the signal to attack. The lead wolf snaps down with a bite force of 1,500 pounds. He spins the bear 360 degrees. The youngster is fully on the run. Only the ravens seem to have the bear's back. The pack proclaims victory with a feast.